Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the best haircut ideas for plus size women with round faces. If you have a round face, that simple means your cheeks are fuller and your face has a soft shape, and that's beautiful. The right haircut can make your features stand out even more and give you a confident, stylish look. So let's explore some amazing options in simple, easy words. Long layers hair. For long round faces, long layers work like magic. They add length to your face and make it look slimmer. Shoulder length lob. A lob or a long bob is great for plus size women with round faces. It gives the face a longer look and creates a modern clean style. Side swept bangs. If you want a soft look, side swept bangs are amazing. They cover a bit of the forehead and create angles that reduce roundness. Long bob with softness. Soft waves are perfect for round faces because they create height and shape. A long bob with gentle waves add volume on top and reduce fullness on the sides. Layered pixie cut. Plus size women with round faces can totally rock a pixie cut. A layered pixie adds height on top and keeps the side shorter. Straight long hair with middle part. If you love simple styles, long straight hair with a middle part is perfect. The straight lines create length and the middle part separates the fullness. Avoid cuts that add too much volume at the cheeks. Add height on the top for a longer looking face. Try side parts or side swept styles for slimming effect. Keep hair below chin level for best balance. Choose soft waves overnight. Curls for a smooth shape. Remember, the best haircut is one that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Your face shape is lovely, and with the right style you can highlight your features even more. Whether you choose a long layered cut, a stylish bob or a bold pixie, you deserve to feel amazing every single day. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.